Alright, we're here at the Caravelle Resort on Myrtle Beach. Looking down the strip here. And we're going to show you what an ocean front view room here at the Caravelle looks like. This is room 1439. So if you stay here, I suggest that you get an oceanfront room because they are very nice. And I'll show you as we come through here. The front room here is your bedroom, and it's got a TV, dresser, two very comfy beds, and nice closet there. And then you have your kitchen area here. It's pretty much got everything you need: microwave, stove, oven, double sink, refrigerator, and you know, you got your spices and stuff in here, your pots and pans, dishes, everything you need. It's pretty well stacked up. And you got a little pantry in there. If you're going to stay for a long time, you can put lots of groceries in there. Here's the living room. Oh, real quick, bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom. It's like you'd expect to see in a hotel. But it's clean and it's nice. Here is the other room here. Little living room area. What's really cool, this unit has another bed in the wall right here. Call these a Murphy bed. This thing just pulls right down, and that whole mattress, everything comes out, and you can sleep another two people in here. So you could do 6 all day if you want to. That's not a pull-out sofa, but you can sleep somebody there too if you wanted to. So you got a nice big TV in here as well. A little dining room area. That's back looking into the kitchen. And then here's the really cool part. Here is the porch overlooking the ocean. And you cannot beat that view right there. The beach. Oh, what a view. All the way down there. And this is the week right before Memorial Day. It's today the 18th, I believe, Monday. I'll be here for about a week. Got some yoga going on down there. I haven't had a chance to walk around the resort. I hear it's pretty nice. I'll do some of that later. But if you follow my channel, sorry I haven't done any videos on anything. Florida, Corvettes, cruises, none of my usual stuff. I'm in healthcare, so we've been really busy. I've been working like crazy. And taking a little vacation here this week, but I'm right back at it again next week. So don't write me off. Please subscribe, like this video. I'll be doing some more videos once things calm down in the healthcare. Once we hopefully come off quarantine and get back to life as we knew it before. Hopefully sooner than later. But anyway, if you're here for the Caravelle Resort tour, well, there it is. Let you get a look at one of these oceanfront rooms. They're really reasonable. I paid about $100 a night here, and I think you'll like it. So give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see other videos. Check out my other videos. I've got all kinds of great stuff dealing with all kinds of different topics. So not just one thing, all kinds of different stuff. All right. Well, thanks again for watching. Everyone, take care and stay safe.